So you've got this Benzomatic gas torch. You can see mine melted here. I don't think this is designed for daily commercial use or anything like that. I had the little soldering tip on it, and I guess too long, but nobody says anything about that. Anyway, it works fine. It's probably fine. But what was really annoying is this little clicking thing here. You had to click down for every single time you try to light it. You had to click it down, driving me crazy. On top of which, the igniter wasn't igniting. I realized that it was firing from this frame to the ignition tip. And what I did is I just bent it in a little bit more towards the end of the gas nozzle, and it works again now. So I don't know whether it fell off or what, how it worked, but it was not working well to ignite it. And with the safety thing on, it was driving me absolutely crazy. As you can see, it's not there anymore. So what I wanted to tell you is this works great now. Well, see, not consistent, but at least it fires most times. And having to click that thing down was just so annoying. Anyway, what I did was took and this could be any cutoff wheel, but I took this diamond cutoff wheel and I just took it up in there and cut away at that section. And I don't know if I got lucky or not, but I can tell you from my experience, so that's how far I cut up in there and there. And then I just grabbed a hold of it with some needle nose and ripped the whole thing out of there. And I wouldn't recommend doing a lot more because I'm not sure exactly how this goes together, but that part gone still works now the way the old one did. So now you're not swearing at your Benzomatic anymore.